Howdy, partner. So you want to learn how to paint patio cushions? Well, you're in luck. I'm going to show you today. Today, we're going to walk you through a quick and easy way to freshen up and paint some of these patio cushions. If you have any outdoor furniture, particularly outside, it's going to get dirty over time. If I could make a recommendation to anybody, if you're looking to buy new furniture, look for dark cushions, dark gray, dark blue, something that doesn't show stains. These were this light color, and over the years, it's just got a ton of stains, and we've cleaned it and scrubbed it and put different chemicals on it, but they just keep getting dirty and dirty and dirty. So it's time for us to freshen these up and go ahead and give them a fresh new coat of paint. So that's what we're gonna do. Now, I've never done this before, but we purchased this vinyl and fabric coating from Duplicolor. Not sponsored by Duplicolor in any way. We'll go ahead and link this in the product description. If you like it, go ahead and check out that link and you'll find a copy of the product. So we've tested this on a cushion or two and it seems to be working. We're gonna walk you through how to do it. So first, you wanna go ahead and clean your cushion, make sure it's got no debris on it, make sure it's washed, and make sure, most importantly, it's totally dry. And then we're gonna set them up outside. That's why we've got most of them are gone, set up on a string. And we're gonna go ahead and start painting them. And we'll show you how just a couple coats of paint, we'll go ahead and freshen these up. It's a very easy and inexpensive way to salvage otherwise really, really great outdoor furniture without having to buy a whole new cushion set. So stay tuned, we'll walk you through. Okay, 2 minutes of shaking the can up and get it ready to go. You're gonna take it off. This has got a really nice nozzle on it. I do like the nozzle. It's an easy press, doesn't tire out the finger. And once you get everything lined up and clean, you're just gonna make nice, even passes across your cushion. And it says to do a couple coats. So we'll do this. We'll also tell you how many cans it takes and how far each can gets. And in the end, we'll show you the finished product. It's spraying really, really nice, even, not a lot of spitting out. It also is very easy to press this button. So stay tuned. We'll have a finished product for you soon. Here's another angle with better lighting for you seeing the paint go on. I don't know if you can see it with the sun before, but as you see here, it goes on pretty evenly. And then you just kind of go across. If you don't like my technique here, please go ahead and put in the comment box and tell me how to do it better. I really appreciate that. I'm not a professional spray painter, but it's coming on pretty good. All right, well, we're all done, and you can see that our dingy cushions are looking much, much better. Now, the coverage was really good, and it dried fast, although I will say the cushions kind of sucked up a lot of paint, and I probably need to buy one more can to really even it out. We did both sides of all the cushions and also the back and underneath and all that stuff. So if you want to kind of cut some corners, you could probably just do the tops, but we're gonna go ahead and finish it up. Now, this is about 5 seats when you talk front or top and bottom. And this was 5 cans, 4.5 cans of this vinyl and fabric paint. So definitely it goes through a lot of paint. Again, there's another half a can we're gonna use, might need one more. So I'd say about 1 can per seat is probably right. But the feel is pretty good. It's not too rough. It feels pretty similar to what it did before. And I'm sure that as we sit on it and loosen up, it'll just do better. And it definitely is a nice, easy way to, get some more life out of your outdoor furniture. So hope you appreciate this video. If you like it, please hit that like button. Any questions or comments, put in the comment box. And also, if you appreciate all these outdoor how-to videos, hit the subscribe button. You can check out how we do these lights or how we did this floor in here or a bunch of stuff outdoors as well as indoor work. So appreciate you tuning in. And remember, if I can do it, you can too. Thanks for watching.